Experience exceptional support and flexible pricing with NextBillion.ai. Key factors that drive businesses to choose NextBillion.ai over here technologies include our flexible pricing, superior product support, ease of integration and enterprise-grade customizations. While here technologies follows a rigid transaction-based pricing model, we offer flexible pricing options based on the number of tasks, assets, or API calls. We also offer better support. Our dedicated solutions engineers and product experts provide hands-on assistance at every stage, from evaluation to production and beyond. NextBillion.ai simplifies the solution transition process by providing industry-standard API parameters, comprehensive documentation, migration guides, and robust support. We stand out with extensive enterprise-level customizations like custom maps, off-road scenarios, road edits and many more to seamlessly integrate your workflows and preferences into our solutions. With APIs and SDKs powering routing and navigation for Fortune 500 enterprises globally, NextBillion.ai is the preferred partner for innovative businesses worldwide. Switch to NextBillion.ai today. To know more, visit NextBillion.ai/book a demo.